2018 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 mpg rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, heated front seats, MP3 capability, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, HD radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.